Mobility made simple. 5 electric wheelchairs built for comfort, distance, and travel. First, lightweight electric wheelchairs Motorized. $800. This lightweight model uses a 350W brushless motor to deliver smooth, efficient rides while keeping weight down for loading and travel. A great option if portability matters without sacrificing performance. Ideal for daily use and battery-friendly trips. Second, Vive lightweight electric wheelchair adults. $850. An airline-approved foldable lightweight chair that's built for travel and convenience. Easy to fold. It fits in car trunks and plane cabins. Check airline rules. If you're planning trips and need a chair that travels well, this one reduces stress and storage headaches. Third, Zurcheel SLF30 wheelchairs Motorized wheelchair. $780. Dual 250W motors give this model extra traction for varied terrain while remaining compact and affordable. Solid for users who navigate curbs, grass, or uneven sidewalks and need reliable power without bulk. Great balance of capability and price. Fourth, electric wheelchair foldable portable terrain. $820. A foldable, all-terrain chair with a responsive 360 degrees joystick for intuitive control across surfaces. Built to handle outdoor paths as well as indoor spaces, it's perfect for users who want a single chair for every setting. Comfortable, versatile, and travel-ready. Fifth, wheelchair lightweight motorized brushless wheelchairs. $900. A premium lightweight chair with brushless motors and a range up to roughly 12.5 miles per charge. Ideal for longer outings and independent days out. If range and reliable motors matter most, this model gives the endurance and smooth handling you want.